Hey, what is up everybody? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of cleaning on the RamCharger underneath on the undercarriage. Get it nice and clean so we can start working on the steering and stuff like that, so we can take it out on the road again. Hopefully a little more reliable this time. But we also do need to find a winner for our Olight pre-run and headband 2 combo. I've been enjoying mine a lot. It's definitely helped me out a little bit to see the light and see underneath what I'm looking at. So let's go ahead and roll that intro, and then let's go find ourselves a winner, and then we'll start working on cleaning this up, making it look a little bit cleaner in here, maybe, and then cleaning up underneath. We got some mud daubers and stuff building nests under there, so we need to get that cleaned up. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and jump into the computer real quick, and let's find our winner. Alrighty, so let's find this winner for the Olight headlamp and headband 2. So here's the video. It's a RamCharger project, Olight sales / giveaway. So we'll go ahead and copy this link real quick. Go ahead, put it into the comment, or the comment picker for the giveaway. And then let's go ahead and get comments. It says that there's 67 of them. On the video it says that there is 79. 10 of those are mine, so we're good there. And then we'll go ahead and click start. Alrighty, no roofer without no roof, right? No roofer without no roof. Okay. It says, hi, the headlamp made a difference even in the daylight, but the shadow of the baseball cap, yeah, I know, it was a little irritating. Due to the split screen, I thought it was using a 360 GoPro after editing, but you had your own laughing camera woman. Yep, she was helping me out that day, and I do appreciate her. So no roofer without no roof. We'll get in contact with each other, and we'll figure out how to get that to you. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, so no roofer, there you go. We'll be getting in contact with you and hopefully sending these out to you. But yeah, thank y'all for participating in that. Hopefully we'll have another one in the future. Olight was really good to work with, and hopefully we did some decent sales, but we'll find out about that in the future, I guess. But we'll be sending those out as soon as we can get in contact and get everything straightened out. But I promise you'll be getting them. And if for some reason we can't send them out and you're okay with it, we might pick another winner, but we have to wait for no roofer, so we're gonna wait for him. And before we start getting into cleaning the undercarriage of this, I do want to put the collar of the dog, whose name is gonna be the nickname. His real name was Gizmo. His nickname in the later years of his life was the Wanderer. So we're gonna go ahead and put his collar right up here on the rear view mirror, and yeah, just pay a little tribute to the little buddy. He's such a great dog. Alrighty, so there we go. We have Gizmo's collar up there. Such a great little dog. I loved it when he wandered. He was so cute. But let's go ahead and get the RamCharger up here, so I get a little bit better angle of cleaning the undercarriage of this thing. She's a little dirty from the leaks and stuff. But let's get that cold start. Hasn't been started in a week either, so let's start her up, guys. Alrighty, so we got the pressure washer all set up. I do have a bottle here, unlabeled, but it's filled with Super Clean. Not sponsored, just picked some up to see what we could do. I might try to do the engine bay a little bit too, but I want to try to clean up the suspension stuff down here since it's got mud dauber nests on it and everything like that. Just trying to get rid of some of the grease. It'll be a little bit harder to get back in some of these places, but it just needs to be rinsed off more or less. We may still have a little bit of a transmission leak. There's a little drop of something, but I don't know if that's leftovers from before, but hopefully this cleaning will hopefully figure that out for us. I think it's probably still leaking. It needs to be tightened up a little bit more. But let's go ahead. I'm going to try to clean this one wheel up too, just to see if we can get it looking a little bit cleaner and see if the rest of them will come out nice, but we'll see. But let's jump into it. Not the fun, most interesting stuff in the world, but we're cleaning stuff. We're getting a step closer. Alrighty, so I got the underneath on the passenger side cleaned off, and now we're just gonna go ahead and rinse off this stuff too. Already sprayed some Super Clean on, well, down by the suspension on this side, on the frame rails on this side, and the fender and inner fender wheel well stuff here. I don't want to do anything on the engine. Again, it's not covered. I am going to start the vehicle though and just try to keep everything away from the engine. I've been told keep it running while you pressure wash it because it might die and not start up after. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and start it up and start pressure washing. All right, sorry about the AC noise going on over here. It's another hot one here in Oklahoma. But yeah, she's nice and clean under here now. The suspension's all cleaned up down there as well as the steering stuff. We got rid of a majority of the mud dauber nests, or the little mud wasps. That's what they are. But we're nice and clean under there. It looks like one of those wasps might be trying to find his home. Hopefully he doesn't try to come get me. But nice and clean. Now we can hopefully start looking at some steering parts. I did notice, and I already knew about it, but we can kind of see right here on the bottom of the steering box, it's got a little bit of a drip of something, or at least it did. Yeah, it's dripping right there. So that either needs to be rebuilt or we can get a new one. Depending on prices, we'll go from there. But steering is definitely going to be my next thing, and then I was trying to back this thing up and it tried dying on me. I may need to rebuild the carburetor or even just get a new one, but that's going to be another thing in the future. But over on this side, let me turn on my Olight headlamp to its brightest setting if I can. Okay, there we go. So as you guys can see, a little bit nice and clean over there. You can start seeing some shine, so that's good. That's good. But that makes it a little bit easier to work on stuff down here and see with this headlamp. And again, no roofer without no roof. I think that's how your name is pronounced or said or whatever. But again, you're the winner, so go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section. I did try to reach out to you as well, so if you haven't gotten that already, just let me know. But I guess I'll be looking forward to talking to you here in a little bit and sending out that pre-run with the headband. So, or Perun, my bad, I said pre-run again, Perun with the headband too. But that's gonna be it for today. Instead of blinding you guys, let me turn that off. But yeah, not too much today. Just want to let you guys know who the winner was and clean this up so we can start working on it again in the future. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.